Good morning, myself Malinti Mungpi brings you today's news update. The BJP Mahamaya Kisan Morcha held its first executive meeting at Dokmoka BJP office on Friday. Mahamaya Kisan Morcha President Ruben Tiron conducted yesterday meeting which was attended by several party leaders including retired IAS Longki Phangchu, Kisan Morcha Secretary Harsing Rongpi, Convener Jiten Kathar, Co-Convener Harsing Terang, Mahamaya Mandal President Purno Ingti, Mahamaya Mahila Morcha President Manay Ingtipi, and several party workers. Mastered seats was distributed on the occasions. Ananbe from Vuthungaji for 365 News India. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visited Bokazan Legislative Assembly constituency in Karbi Anglong and laid the foundation stone for several infrastructure in the constituency on Friday. Assam CM Sonowal arrived by helicopter at Hanjanglangso Sport Association's playground in the afternoon, after which he proceeded to Bokazan to lay the foundation stone of a modern auditorium which will be constructed at an estimated cost of Rs 10 crores under the CM signature scheme. The auditorium is expected to be completed within 8 months. Next, Sonowal inaugurated at 33.11 kV power stations in Hanjanglangso. The inaugurations of the power station is expected to lessen frequent power cuts in the area to the benefit of the Karbi community and the general public. After that, the CM laid the foundation stone for a modern residential HS school at Pitiadong in Balipathar. The school will be constructed at an estimated cost of Rs 31 crores and is expected to be completed within 8 months. Once completed, the school will impart education free of cost. Later, a public meeting was held at Balipathar HS School Playground. The meeting was attended by KASC CM Tuliram Ronghang, HAD Minister Sumronghang, MLA Numal Mumin, all KASC EMs, MSCs, BJP party workers, and a huge crowd. The Autonomous State Demand Committee, Karbi Student Associations, and Karbi Nimso Chingchura Song have jointly submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah through the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong Adap on Friday. The three organizations jointly organized a protest rally at Samson Singh Ingti Park, which was attended by ASDC President Chandrakanta Terang, General Secretary Jotson Bay, KSA President Jamson Timung, General Secretary Ajoy Ingti, KNCA President Merina Bepi, General Secretary Kajek Tok BP, and more than 3,000 members and supporters of the three organizations. After staging the protest, the gathering led by the leaders marched to DC office to submit a memorandum containing their demands. The demands of the three organizations are immediate granting of Article 244A to Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, full implementations of the agreement of the MOU of 1995 and MOS of 2011, and early settlement of peace talk with KNLF and other groups of the district. As Karbi Anglong DC was outstationed, ADC SCS Rajesh Terang received the memorandum on behalf of the DC. Terang assured the protesters of sending the memorandum to the Union Home Minister at the earliest. Debaram Kathar from Dipu for 365 News India.
Memorandum আজি 27 November দিনা ডিসি অফিসত আমি মেমোৰেণ্ডাম সাবমিট কৰিছো মেমোৰেণ্ডামটো ইণ্ডিয়ান হোম মিনিষ্টাৰলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰিব লাগে
The Reception Committee of the Karbi Lamet Ame Annual Conference 2021 held its first meeting at Arnam Langpik SS Playground on Thursday. Karbi Lamet Amay, the Apex Karbi Literary Organizations, will be holding its annual General Conference 2021 from January 20 to 23, 2001 at Bordeka Langmili, Nirja Aklam in Arnam Langpi. To oversee the preparations for the annual event, the Reception Committee held its first meeting yesterday. The committee members held a deliberate discussions on how to organize the forthcoming event without any hassles. Discussions was also held on the duties and responsibilities of its members for the event. Reception Committee President and former EM Surja Rongpar presided over the meeting, which was attended by Vice President Jivan Chandra Pathak, General Secretary Chandra Singh, Advisor Rajendra, and several KLA members. The Reception Committee has also appealed to the literary lovers in particular and the public in general to attend the event in order to make it a success. The committee has also informed that the different government departments will set up exhibition as well as retail stall during the event, and all the tribes in Karbi Anglong will be invited to showcase their traditions and culture during the annual event. The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference paid tribute to late Ajoy Singh Ingti, the youngest son of Samson Singh Ingti, the founder of Karbi Anglong, who passed away on November 24th at Shillong by lighting candles and praying for the departed soul of Samson Singh Ingti Park in Diphu on Friday. Late Ajoy Singh Ingti was born January 23rd, 1948. He passed away at his residence in Shillong on November 24th at the age of 72. He left behind his wife, a son and a daughter. APHLC President J.I. Kathar demanded the KASC to provide jobs for his children as well as the children and grandchildren of Samson Singh Ingti. Debaram Kathar from Diphu for 365 News India.
Who passed away on November 24th. He is one of the sons of Samson Singh Ingti. Samson Singh Ingti hailed from Tika village in Karbi Anglong, and he established modern Karbi Anglong and NC Hills in 1951. After he passed away, of course, formally it was established, but it was he who is the founder of modern Karbi Anglong and NC Hills. We today gather here solemnly in memory of late Ajoy Singh Ingti. We love them. We love all of them. We love all their relatives, their children and their family and their relatives. We request everyone to join in this solemn function. We pray to God that we believe and we pray to God that God has already taken him and he is in the best place with God now.
The protesting organizations have also demanded the Assam government and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority to reinstall the border pillars uprooted by miscreants and vacate the land of the intruders. AJD President Angtong Phangcho, General Secretary Chesongkiri Hanse, RYA President Babu Singh Kiling, General Secretary Bimal Terang, AISA President Ranjit Kramsa, General Secretary Rocky Tokbi, SYJ President Raja Singh T, YASC President Sanjoy Tiso, Member Mir Longbe, Vidya Singh Rongpi, KALU, and Rai Singh Milik from KALU led the protest yesterday. The organizations have threatened to stage protests on a larger intensity if the competent authorities do not take any initiative at the earliest. Debaram Kathar from Diphu for 365 News India.
Kidam tangar ni Nelitum song trok chelang si border visit amlo pilar isi pen ke trok si ani tum lang namlo isi ning duk me pilar adung pilar purjok si mane pilar long masi mane building nai chikim lapen pilar pen pina ana khilo nagalena pen la Karbi Anglong lu nang lut si thiri ke bonai lapen phil ke bonai lapen hodak naga tum kem nang chikim labangso kem mane hodak latum naga tum si duthi boso kem lo lapen isi mang humi bangke tribal border welfare society pu isi hola tum ahe mang kim kilang sitami rong isengi pusini tum aklong benchini angkrak ben kilong no tengke hitame karbidel le hodak kidola pugali mane naga adhek lapen karbi adhek mane mahumi me
আমি দেখিলো গলো স্পটত তাত ওয়ান পিলাৰ পাৰত গৈ আমি 17 পিলাৰলৈকে গৈছিলো হেতু কাৰণে আমি ইয়াত কোনো পলিটিক্যাল হেতু হিচাপ নাই আমি কাৰ্বি আমি ব্যক্তি হেতু হিচাপত আমি যিমান কাৰ্বি আংলং যিমান কাৰ্বি আছে আমি গুটে গৈ আমি আমাৰ বৰ্ডাৰখন আমি সেভ কৰিব লাগিব যে নাগালেণ্ডৰ মানুহ কাৰণে আমি নাগাৰ কাৰণে আমি কোনো এনেকা যে ভাবনা যে আমি মানে হিন্তক যে কিবা এটা সলিউশন বা আমাৰ বাউণ্ডাৰীটোত আমাৰ ভালকৈ প্ৰটেকশ্যন হ'ব লাগিব।
The first late Dorsing Terang Memorial Inter-Club Football League began at Jengkha Playground in West Karbi Anglong on Friday. The tournament is organized by Jengkha Sport Association. Long Terang Memorial Club defeated Harlongsora FC 4-1 in the opening match of the tournament yesterday. PVM English School Principal Chisong Terang, Kopili Constituency Chairman Baburam Rongphar, Hamran VDC Chairman Sarsing Phangchu, ex-VDC Chairman Honsing Terang, and several well-known personalities of the area attended the opening match. Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.